Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg, and I want to welcome you to my CBSitePro review. This is going live on Tuesday, October 25th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $17 being launched by Rick Ng, and it is one-click, fully updated, done for you ClickBank review website with top converting ClickBank offers in less than 60 seconds. I have members, area access, and loads of great bonuses, and a treat. If you stick around to the end, I will show you what that is. So let's get started. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, you guys. This is my bonus page here. I'm going to take you here first. Then I'm going to show you my bonuses. We're going to learn more about ClickBank Site Pro. We're going to look in the members area and of course check out all the prices. So guys, this is a really done for you, ready to go system with ClickBank. Rick will show you just how easy it is, and there's a demo video in here that I'm going to show you as well. And guys, this is going to stay up till October 28th. And like I said, one-click app auto-creates a self-updating ClickBank review website done for you in less than 30 seconds. We're going to check out the review video right now. So you log in. Here is the dashboard. So you can create your domain or use your own domain on WordPress. So you can write it in right there. You've got different domain websites. You've got your settings here. Now you can put your affiliate settings in here, ClickBank's IDs and whatnot. And this is what it's going to look like, guys. It's already done for you. Add blogs. You can even write your own blogs as well. There's different niches that you can check out. Be an affiliate to any different niche that you want here, guys. You can manage your own reviews, so you can add your own reviews in here as well. If you're making videos, you can add your videos in, or if you're just doing write-ups, you can add your write-ups in. Blog. So there's already blogs in here, and you can create your own blogs as well. You can search for keywords. put your banners, you can put your side banners, your heading banners, and your footer banners, so you can have other advertising in here as well. Okay, so now guys, you got to see just how many different options you can do, any niche you want. There's already the done for you blogs. You can add your own blogs. There's ads as well. So there's a lot of features that you could do. You could have a fully functional website in a matter of seconds. Now I want to take you just to learn a little bit more of the features, the written features, so you got to see visually what it is. Now we're just going to read what they are. So as you could see, you could build a completely automated ClickBank review site in seconds. Web-based, nothing to install, it's all cloud-based. Load top converting ClickBank offers, high quality product reviews. You can monetize your ClickBank review website with ClickBank affiliate program, auto approved for all ClickBank products on the review site. You can monetize your ClickBank review website using banner ads, as you saw. You can automatically create blog posts. Also comes with a WordPress plugin to build ClickBank review content. So if you've already got a website and you want to integrate it and you're using WordPress, you can easily do that with this particular product. Add your own blog posts to your ClickBank review site. And there's in-depth training videos showing you how to do all of this. So if you're feeling a little bit anxious, they have all the training in there as well. And as a special bonus, you're going to get the reseller license if you purchase today. And there are 10 site licenses, and special bonus, get 30 reseller licenses if you purchase today. Now guys, I just showed you, here is a demo site of what you're going to be getting. So if I just click on this and show you, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so you've got home, reviews, Fiverr gigs, Udemy, blogs, CB products, and then you just put in your email here, subscribe. So it's got a drop down footer to collect emails. Oops. And it is ready to go, guys. You've got lots and lots of features here. And if you want to build ClickBank review content on WordPress, you can also do it. Here is just a demo mock-up for you to check out. Again, so you've got review listing, own review listing, Fiverr, Udemy, ClickBank products, blogs, and it is also ready to go. All right, very nice. Okay guys, this is the funnel, but before we get into that, I'm going to take you to my bonuses, and then we're going to check out the members area briefly. So guys, the first one that I'm going to send you is how to crush it on ClickBank. So you're going to actually know more, rather than just have the done for you website, you're going to see actually how ClickBank works and how you can use this knowledge to make more money with ClickBank. And also guys, I'm going to show you how you can easily build up your email list. This is my own personal tutorial that I made for you to help you build that list that is so important. And guys, a way to to help you market, advertise. This is Nova. It is all about TikTok, and I'm giving you the front end, the OTO 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now you'll be able to explode your traffic on the fastest growing search engine social media site in the world. And my mega bonus bundle, you're going to get 225 awesome bonuses for free.
Oh, gnarly!
Yes, that is true. And also all the vendor bonuses, guys. So to get these, all you're going to do is click on any of these red buttons like so. It's going to take you to the sales page, which looks like this. And then you just want to click on any of the red buttons here like that to get your access. And it will take you over to, to this page here on Warrior Plus. To get your bonuses, just click on that blue button and it will take you over here. And as you can see, you will get all of my bonuses here. And if I just click on my 225 amazing bonuses, you're going to see there are just a lot of value here, guys. You're going to get all kinds of great stuff. You're going to get Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You're going to get PDFs, you're going to get video files, tutorials, books, e-books, how to make money with paid traffic, organic traffic, and just it goes on and on and on. So that's all for you as a way of saying thank you for using my link. Also, guys, if I just take you over to here, access your vendor bonuses below. So these are semi-exclusive bonuses that Rick wants to give you on top of his other bonuses. So you're going to get Borrowfy all-in-one SEO bonus, PageMaker Cloud setup, 100 mobile web templates, and just send an email to admin@wppprofit10.com, and then in the subject you just want to put claim CBSitePro semi-exclusive bonuses, and then you'll be able to get all of those as well. Now, guys, I want to take you to the sales page quickly. So it's very easy, a 3-step method. So you're going to log into it, you're going to enter your name, and then it's basically in 30 seconds you're going to have your own website. It's incredible. This is my friend Kaleem. He is a client who was an affiliate marketer, told me about SitePro, and I do his taxes, so when he vouched for it, I knew it was something to be special. All right. Goran Olson and Raj, so all saying incredible things. You can check that out on your own time. I don't want to spend too much of your time here. Let's just take a look. Pat Flynn, net worth over $3 million. So you're just seeing that the power of this site, you're able to tap into the same potential as some of these people here. Instantly load your site with top converting ClickBank offers, 100% self-updating, automated blog builder, supports WordPress site, hosting and domain is included and absolutely no cost, 24-hour premium support, training and tutorials. You are good to go. All right, so we have another bonus for you guys is the Review Box Pro app. Bonus 2, Deal Site Builder Pro app. Bonus 3, Site AI Pro app. And a sneak peek of the value of the next generation technology. Total of $7,661 in value. You'll be getting it for $17. And I just wanted to show you right up here, guys. There's a free gift. First 100 buyers will also get 30 reseller license rights. Let me take you to the price and the upsells now, guys. It's quite a lengthy funnel. So, guys, the front end is 17. All the features that I just mentioned, all their bonuses, plus all of my bonuses and my mega bonus bundle, all for $17. It's a no-brainer. And then for the OTO 1 is the unlimited. You're going to get users can create as many passive income ClickBank review sites as they want. Includes commercial rights. You can place live chat and Facebook comments on your box, Google Pixel and Facebook Pixel, unlimited reseller rights, unlock all ClickBank product reviews on your sites, unlock $25,000 products. That's a no-brainer. You can, and then you can even do this on Fiverr. You could have a gig where you're creating these for Fiverr. If you have unlimited potential, I believe the OTO 1 is a no-brainer. That's a lot of value right there. Okay, the Pro at the Advanced at 67. Place a fancy pop-up on your review site to automatically collect leads, auto-capture emails, auto-translate to 100 languages, set up push-button notification on your site. Number 3, Profit Stream at 37. Instantly adds another income stream to your ClickBank review sites and get double income for your review sites. And Upgrade adds 25,000 Fiverr gigs, 185,000 done-for-you e-learning courses to your ClickBank review site. I like that one as well. Only $37, so I think that's a lot of value. The done-for-you at 97. Work one-on-one with our support team. We will set it all up and get you ready. So I'm always a big fan. If you are busy, if you have other things in your life, which so many of us do, the done-for-you is a fantastic option for you. They will take care of all the techie work. You will have it up and running, ready to collect those commissions with your affiliate ClickBank offers and your links. The agency, 197, create unlimited SitePro accounts for your clients. All right, so perhaps I have to backpedal. If you want to be creating Fiverr accounts, this is what you might need then. You might need to have the agency upgrade, okay? But if you're able to sell even 5 of them, you're going to make your money back, all right? So this is something that I would definitely look into. I would ask about. I like the OTO 1. I like the OTO 3, the 4, and definitely if you want to be a freelancer and make this work for you, look at number 5 as well. So you could pick one of those, you could pick multiples of those, you could pick the whole funnel. You're going to get your value from it. All right, guys, so just before we wrap up, remember, this is just a summary here of what you're going to be getting. AI-powered software activates your own ClickBank review site in just one click. Targeted over 200 million customers across 190 countries. Drive them to your website on complete autopilot. Get started immediately to create your first ClickBank review site. Pay once, and then that's it. No monthly reoccurring fees. 100% hosted. No cost, no hassle with that. No bar for your age or your experience. 109 beta testers have made $166,000 with this. It's ethical. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee to play around with it. And you guys, you're going to be getting my ClickBank bonus. You're going to be getting how to build your email list, Nova front end 1, 2, 3, 4 upgrades, my mega bonus bundle, these exclusive bonuses, plus also Rick's other bonuses, all for just the front end is a steal, but get some of those upgrades as well. In my opinion, you will have a lot of value. This is how you can find me here, guys, KieranJHog.com. And I said there was going to be a treat for you. If you decide to get this through my site, I will be sending you a thank you email and asking you to whitelist my email so I can keep you updated. And if you do that, I have another special bonus just for you. And guys, I have some free training down below that you might want to check out and learn more about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. And if you got value from this, please give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And I wish you all the best of luck on your journey. I appreciate you being here. I hope you got some value from it. ClickBank Site Pro, a lot of potential there, especially with some of those upgrades. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Until then, all the best. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.